Hi ma'am sir, paano ba magbenta ng products using barcode? First, pasok lang sa invoicing. Click mo lang new record. Okay. Then, click mo lang tong barcode. Dapat nakatuon siya dito sa barcode na field. Then, scan mo lang. Yan. Napansin nyo, nag-move yung quantity. Then, yung in stock is nabawasan. Okay, 97. Example, ang binili is nasa 10. Click mo lang tong plus or i-type mo lang diretso yung quantity. And then, amount tender. Example, pera niya 500. Then, yung change niya 150. Click mo lang enter, enter. Yan. Would you like to print? No. Add new record, cancel. Pero, ito yung print niya. Print preview. Click mo lang tong thermal na button. So, yun lang.